Hello, I'm Mrs. J, and welcome to my math class. Today we're going to look at a couple percent problems in Chapter 4. One's a percent and one's a raise. So first one, something that costs $100 in 1980 costs $250.23 in 2009. Find the inflation rate from 1980 to 2009. And so if you weren't able to use the calculator, the inflation calculator, it's just your relative percent change. So if we know something in 1980 and its value in 2009, we can use relative percent change. The old would be the 100, the new would be the 250. New minus old over old times 100. And that comes to 150.23, I think. Yeah. So the inflation rate went up by 153. The other one, I think that's all we have to do. Find the, so this is the inflation rate. Sometimes it is more than 100%, even though it seems weird that you're putting a percent higher than 100. That can't happen in this case. It does. We had another one in the last section too that went up, I think, 200 and some percent. Okay. How much is your raise worth? In 2006, you made $40,000, and your contract states in 2007 you'll receive a cost of living raise equal to the inflation rate, which is 2.85%. What will your salary be in 2007? So you're getting a raise of 2.8%. Now, what it means when it's equal to the inflation rate, that means that the value of the dollars going up by this percent, and your wage will match it. So let's find out how much you'll make in 2007. Well, that would be a 1 plus trick, because we're taking 40,000 and we're increasing it by 0.0285, because remember, you have to put it as a decimal. We get $41,140. If we want to find out how much our raise was, how much more money we're making, so we're making $1,140 more than we did the previous year. So what are you going to do with that extra $1,140? Absolutely nothing, because you match the inflation rate. If you buy all the same items last year as you bought this year, house payment, car payment, all of those things, you're not going to have any money left over, because this extra money is going to help pay for everything that went up in cost, because on average, everything went up by 2.85%. So keeping a raise with your inflation rate, it's not going to make any more money. You're just staying the same as the year before. If you don't have a raise, then you can't even buy the same amount of stuff you bought the year before. So when you are going for your raise, make sure you figure out the inflation rate first. You're making more than that. So just a little note. Thank you.